All right, once your PowerPoint is open, you are going to go to File. You are going to Download As, download a copy, and click the download button. Then you will be going to your Teams. You are going to go to the assignment. You are going to click on the Add Work button. Then another screen will pop up and you're going to click Upload from this device. Once you click Upload from this device, a new screen will pop up and you will see this on your screen. You need to click the Downloads button and select your presentation and click Open and then turn in your assignment. Now, some of you will not see the Download As button, so you're going to click Save a Copy, and there should be a Save a Copy to your tablet. So make sure you save it to your tablet and not online.